Are you struggling to fully use the potential of AI? Don't worry, you're not alone. Many businesses cannot find useful insights from tons of data even with the help of AI. But what if you could transform your CRM into a smarter and more efficient AI? Well, with Einstein Copilot Studio, it is possible. Hello everyone, welcome back to Cyntexa. I'm Shrey, and today we'll explore the power of Einstein Copilot that helps you build your very own AI models. So let's begin with understanding what is Einstein Copilot Studio. It is an all-in-one platform that too within Salesforce. It allows you to create, customize, and deploy AI models for your specific business needs. Whether you're in sales, customer service, marketing, or e-commerce. This innovative tool level ups your CRM with intelligent and conversational AI capabilities, all with some standout features: prompt builder, model builder, and prediction builder. And in this video, we'll use the prediction builder to create a simple AI model without any coding. The first step is to decide your code. Let me take an example for you. Suppose you are a telecom business owner and you wish to see predictions using your Salesforce data. Let's say you want to know which customers might stop using your services by analyzing past behaviors and interactions. This prediction is called customer churn. So that becomes our goal, to predict who might leave and try to retain those customers. For step 2, you'll need information about your customers, like how often they buy from you, how long they have been your customer, if they have filed any complaints, and so on. So where can you get this data? This data is likely stored in your Salesforce org. You have to look at records like customer purchases, support tickets, and their interactions with your sales team to extract this data. As you can see, we have created some data streams and mapped all of the data for this example. Step 3 is to transport your data. Once you map all the details through data streams and data lakes, an automatic data model will be created. We can now transport this model directly to Einstein Studio, where we'll set up a prediction model. Step 4 is setting up the flow. As you jump to Einstein model, you have to choose the option for a predictive model. On the next screen, Einstein Studio will give you the option to create a model from scratch. After providing all the required details, a prediction model will be in flow. Fifth step is to see your model in action and train it. Let's call this model Customer Churn Prediction. You can easily view all the training metrics for your custom AI model. Now you have to make a prediction job in the integration section so that every time a new customer record is created, this flow will be in action to predict the churn rate of that customer. Let's see how this example will work with a live example. Here we are adding a new telecom customer record and filling up all the details, such as their customer ID, last login, number of purchases, support tickets, etc. This record will act as data of our new customer for the prediction builder. Once done, we'll save the record. You might have to refresh your screen and soon the prediction flow will let you know the churn rate at the bottom. As you can see, the chances of this particular customer to churn is 31.40%. Now you can do this with all your existing records and predict customer churn. Wasn't that super easy? Now you know which of your customers are at risk and provide them with some extra attention. You can realign your strategies to make sure none of your customers discontinue your services. Are you ready to equip your CRM with the power of AI? Me and my team of experts are coming to Dreamforce. We can guide you with the best AI implementations across all Salesforce clouds. So check out the link in the description and book a consultation or participate in a brain date, and let's get you started with Einstein Copilot Studio. Thank you for watching. Leave a like, comment what you would like to know more about from us, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button.